Today we're on the Scarlet Lady. What is the deal with being able to see straight into the shower? Like,
Yep.
Oh, Zach. Oh my gosh, you can.
it's Miami, Florida. It's September 27th, 2021, and it's a special travel advisor preview of the new ship from Virgin Voyages, the Scarlet Lady. Here we are in the Seriously Suite. So similar to above.
Kind of like the Voyages.
How much storage space though?
No, didn't notice.
Put anything under here?
Is there a closet in here?
Probably by the front door. That's about it. A little bit of storage space under here. You could tuck your luggage down there maybe.
Oh, here.
Oh, yeah. Hey, hiding in plain
Have a
sight.
closet. Holy cow.
Under the same shower design as the other one. Look at these controls. Yeah, that's cool. That's damn cool. I mean, is there some way to like change the tint on that? I mean, how do you control
I
that?
don't see.
You can just see right through it.
That is pretty wild.
I have to ask about that one. So, if you're standing there in the bathroom, you can see through. If you're in the shower, you can see into the bedroom, and vice versa.
You can.
Is there a way to like change that?
Good night.
Yeah.
Only friendly people allowed.
There's someone who's standing here, the guy who will the one who introduced this kanina. You can set it. You can come inside if you want.
I was just wondering if there was a way to like close that to where you can't see through.
Yeah.
I don't think that's happening.
You know what I mean? There's no way to.
No, to go to the bedroom. This side, to going inside there.
No, just a way so that you can't see through the glass.
Yes.
There's no way to stop that? Wow. Okay. Got to be really
You're missing where the rock star that has the guitars all over it.
Oh, this is actually
That's what I'm thinking. Yes. Alright, so I was in a rock star, so you didn't even realize it, because it didn't say. Okay. That's what I wondered, because then I saw the guitars and went, oh, this is like a rock star. So now I know. It really was. Hello.
okay. I was just curious if there was a way to like. No, I was in there earlier.
Alright. Hello.
Hello, how
Hello.
are you? Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
All the way down. Let's see what's on I like that. How they give you the fore and the aft. I'm assuming they mean forward. So Z forward, so this would be starboard. If that's forward, then this would be starboard. So that's an easy way to keep track of it. A and Z. See if we can find one of the sea terrace cabins.
Went out somewhere. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good morning.
Where can I see one of the sea terrace cabins?
Seat ferries.
Yeah, just the regular run-of-the-mill balcony
Yeah,
sea
I can
terrace.
ask you where is the showroom kit. It's just
Saw the suites, but now I'm ready to see
yeah,
that.
it's not the deck then. It's another room, another deck. Joanna, why did you say sailors can see the showroom cabins, please? Deck 5? Deck 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So on deck 10. So it's an interesting split design. So the middle part of the ship is reserved for all the staterooms. So you basically have like deck 7 and below, and the deck 14 and up. Suites, cabins. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
So we're just solo up till 9. Up on 9, and what are we on? We're on 8.
Deck 8.
Oh, we can do 1. We can do 1 plus 6.
Yes,
Hello.
350-8350.
Sure.
You should buy a parking so you can know
It's on my phone. It's on my phone. Hi,
Hello.
sir.
Hello.
How are
Is
you?
there one of the
There's two.
two? Okay.
Well, they're same, but each one is set up during the day, during the night.
Ah.
Right?
Oh, sea terrace. Here we go.
Exactly.
That's
So
what I was
I'll
looking
show
for.
it here. The first one will be nighttime,
Okay.
and the second one, just right there, will be during the day. It's exactly the same room. It's just how it's set
Yeah.
up, couch and stuff. So. please
And
enjoy.
the stateroom attendant will be the one that changes it during
Of
the
course,
cruise?
yeah.
Okay.
I don't think I would know to do it myself.
Hey, at least you can't see from the bedroom, from the bathroom in